Hello everybody, in this Rhino video demo, I would like to show how we can create this kind of form using NURBS surfacing and control point manipulation. By the way, this is a viewer requested demo. Okay, let's start. What I'm going to do is just create a side profile of the form. As I'm only demonstrating a process, I'm not going to be too concerned about the accuracy. So I'm not using any reference image. Something like that. I'm going to use the least amount of control point to express the shape. I'm going to extrude this and use this to establish the general edge curve over here. What I'm going to do is just create a curve here and then project it. Okay. You can turn on this project. Just a general feeling of how it's going to look like. I think something like that. Okay, I'm going to project it, but before that, I'm going to turn on record history so that I can adjust the projected result. So we got something like that, and let me just adjust this a bit. Maybe this is the kind of turning angle that I want. Okay, something like that. And then here I need to like create a rounded part. Okay, so okay, this is going to be the general side profile over here, but this part is going to like round off in this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this and put a point. Got the project. I'm going to extrude this. Then I'm going to like do like a blend over here to create this profile. Let me just hide this. Adjustable curve blend. Set the curvature on both sides. Then we just do our adjustments. As I mentioned, accuracy is not my concern here. I'm just trying to get the desired shape roughly. Okay, something like that. Click the trim. Okay, so we got this curve here, and now let's join these curves. 1, 2, 3, enter, and rebuild this using rebuild curve non-uniform. Maybe maximum point count 25. Okay, delete input here. Okay, so I got something like that. Okay, so this is closer to the side profile that I want. Let's do a bit of fine adjustments. I'm going to put one more point here. Insert knot somewhere here. Pull this out. Let's do a bit of fine adjustments. Okay, it's pretty close to what I want. Make sure that this is aligned properly. It's going to snap this to the end. Drag it out just to be safe. Delete this. do the same for this part here. Snap it to the end, drag it out. This curve, I'm going to mirror it to the other side. And the center part is actually going downward a bit. So let me just copy this in case I need to use it again. And then adjust this center one so that it's actually going downward slightly. Okay, this part's going to go downward. Let me paste back the original so you can see the differences. Okay, so this part's going to go downward. And let's do a loft. Let's do a record history of the loft so that I can make adjustments. 1, 2, 3. The design, this part is going to be like come out slightly, so we're going to like just select the both sides correctly and just move it out. Okay, so it's going to be like that. Okay, this part is going to go in slightly. Something like that. Okay, we are not going to use the loft as the final form. The loft is mainly to give us a general shape, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use patch instead. Okay, so with the general form being created, let's create some cross sections which we can later use to create a new surface. Okay, let's project this and this onto this surface, and then let's repeat the project this and this onto this surface. So we got like some kind of a curve structure which we can use to generate a new surface. Okay, now I don't need this. I'll delete this and just get what we need. Okay, this is what I need. The rest, let's just hide them. We got some kind of a network of curves, sort of. Going to do a bit of more adjustments. What I'm going to do is going to bring this part downward, going to curve downwards. Okay, so let's just select this, bring them downward like that. Okay, and then going to snap this to the end, something like that. Okay. I don't think I need this. So let's see what we'll get if you do a patch. Okay. As you can see, I'm generating aggressive surface. So this is an iterative process that can be used to refine the form closer and closer to our intended design. So yeah, getting something like that. Yeah, I think we got too much control points. So what I'm going to do is just select this and just reduce the control points a bit. So we got like not much control points to work with, and we can modify the form further if you want to. So what I'm going to do is I'll just refine this thing further by maybe using things like remove nodes, okay, maybe I don't need this. I think this is closer to what I want. And then we can do the inverse height. Okay, let's do a bit of fine adjustments. You might want to shrink the net of control points more by using this shrink trim surface. Okay, select this, enter, so it goes smaller like that, and then yeah, it might be easier to do a bit of fine adjustments. Maybe I will just select this, then bring backward. I think I should add another row of control points at the center, which you can do so by using the insert node. Okay, and make sure the object snap, the mid snap is turned on. Let's do a bit of fine adjustments. We move this slightly upwards. Okay, I'm done with the adjustments. I'm done to bore you with this kind of work. Okay, let's offset the thickness using the offset surface. Flip all, maybe give a distance of 0.6 maybe. It's not going to be accurate, it's just a visual demo. Let's enter. Okay, and let's create a nice blend around here using the blend surface. Set both sides to curvature, click OK. Okay, I think with that I come to the end of this demo. Hope that's been useful. See you. Bye.